It's Oz here at Ozzy's Music Academy. I'm coming at you with some ukulele chord tutorials today. Today I'm going to teach you how to play some of the basic chords needed for most of the songs that you would play at a jam or a lot of the songs that you want to learn at home. So let's get started. Okay, the chord that we're going to do is D minor. D minor is good for songs like Don't Worry, Be Happy and Time After Time, as well as many others. I use orange for D, and I have the orange dot set up in order to play D minor. So we're going to go with our second string from our toes. So we're going 1, 2, and this is in the first fret. Then we're going to go, that's with our index finger. Then with our middle finger, we're going to go up and we're going to go all the way to the top to our A minor, which is the fourth string, second fret. And then we're going to tuck our ring finger in underneath it. Third string, second fret also. Take a quick look. So we're going to go, we can put our ring finger down on the third string and our middle over the top of it on the fourth. And then we can set our index finger down on the second string, first fret. This is our D minor chord. So I hope you learned how to do your D minor chord. Leave me some feedback if you had any trouble. And go play some music. This is Oz at Ozzy's Music Academy. A world with more music sounds beautiful. Peace. Hey, before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, send this to friends, check out my Facebook page, Instagram, and Patreon. Thanks for joining. Peace.